Welcome back everybody to Descent the Enemy Within. We are moving on to level 20. After this one, we will be 6 levels away from completing this mission set. I'm excited! Ooh, straight to Dark Horse. That's odd, I'm not getting Dark Horse's signal. Oh well, doesn't matter much to me. I've only got one last job to do with the PTMC anyway. Should be a cakewalk, really. Right. Yeah. No, this is completely a boss level, and I see something very bad happening in this level. What the? Oh gosh, that was kind of like a little optical illusion there. Seemed like a bigger room than it was. It's dark and it's open. I can't see what I'm looking at. Oh, lovely. Okay. Oh, bolus and gatling down there, and some harpoons up here. I am surrounded on all sides. Oh gosh! Golem, 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 die, 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 up! Whew! Oh, wow! Hey, I found the exit, everybody! At least there's that. Okay, I need some good weaponry, and I need it now. I mean, sure, I got the Vulcan, which is a weapon of a sort, but it doesn't really matter if I run out of energy real quick for it. Or ammo, rather. The fact that it's got a really weird spread doesn't help matters, so I'm going to switch over, and this is a little bit more accurate with these lasers. I knew there'd be something off to the left and right. Ooh, gosh! Okay. Nope, these acolytes gotta go first. They are way too dangerous to stay alive. They are worse than the Jujus at this point. Reason? Splash damage. Get over here. Stop getting in my way, Juju. Oh gosh, lovely. Okay, despite their fast-moving nature, I find that the Vulcan cannon is slightly better at killing these sprites than lasers are, just because they travel faster, and they're not full hit scan, but at least they, as I mentioned, just travel faster than lasers do. Now, Jujus, they're slow enough I can switch over to my level 6s. Maybe. I don't trust anything that's in those pits, so I'm kind of avoiding them at the moment. Yep, I knew it! I knew it! There was something in those pits. Totally called it. Ooh, whoa! Okay, there's one in each pit, so am I to assume there's a terrapinner in each pit? Wouldn't that be something? Okay. Yep. Oh dear. This is weird. Trying to figure out. Oh, hey, look, there's a golem facing just that direction. Probably shouldn't come at him at that angle. This is awesome. I'm like so far away that it actually takes a couple seconds for those shots to get at me from the terrapinners. That's nice. There's another golem in there! Dang it. Should have seen that coming. I should have come in from the other angle. Okay. It's okay. I got this. I got this. The blue key is apparently this way, so I might as well go grab it if I can. Ooh! Whoa! Okay, golems in tight spaces, not very good bedfellows. I'll tell you that right now. Whoa! Oh gosh. Okay, you know what? Let's re-tackle this from a different angle again. I am not liking this level at all, everybody. Not at all. There's just not a lot of... What the heck? What the... Oh gosh. That was a weird graphical glitch. I guess I already have the Vulcan. Okay, the other golem was this way, maybe? Yes! One good thing about Vulcan compared to other energy-based weapons, it can stun lock enemies as long as you keep... Oh, jeez. As long as you keep consistent fire on that enemy. Wait a minute. Oh, here we go. Whew. Alright. What's in here? A bolus. Not too bad. I've already faced worse. Ow. The one good thing about lasers is that you can peek around corners and shoot at enemies before they can even see you. I learned that from watching Calamarius, actually. I picked up that unusual skill. Very helpful, though. Still no exceptional weaponry right now. Level 6 lasers, although nice, would do better if I had a quad laser to go with it. Then it could be a very potent weapon. Okay, let's get rid of that harpoon over there. There's a bolus at the end of the tunnel. Let's just get rid of it now while we're thinking about it. But, whoa, where did that come from? Oh, it might have been from one of the boluses down beneath me. Okay, poke my head in really close. Slowly. Oh, hello. There's a lot of blind corners in this particular level. A lot of cramped spaces. Wow. I could have got a spread fire this early. Are you kidding me? This could have so helped out during the blue key area. What the heck? This ain't so bad. Okay, we got 2 Legionnaires. What? What in the world? What just killed me? Okay, which way do I go? Straight ahead. Okay, who was the little punk that killed me? Not you. Because you don't have any melee projectile weapons. Yeah, this is me looking like a more traditional ice level, I can tell you that. Compared to the previous couple levels. In general, all these ice levels have been rather erratic in theme and nature, I'll tell you that right now. Oh, thank goodness I got a plasma cannon. Let's collect the rest of this. My goal is just to make it to 50,000 so I could get an extra shot. And not gonna help me, are you, level? Well, I found the blue door on accident. But I think I've also found the energy center. Very, useful. Okay, I think I might have to rethink my strategy on how I combat this level. Especially if the center is this close to the start. Oh gosh, I gotta be careful with this gun. This gun has a lot of kickback on the splash damage. Gosh, I was just talking about this.